Hello everyone! Today we are going to see how to make this mango custard. To make this mango custard, I have taken vanilla flavored custard powder today. You also get mango flavored custard powder in the stores. You can buy that and you can use that as well. Here in this saucepan I have taken 2 cups of milk, and in the smaller bowl I have taken 3 tablespoons of custard powder. We'll add a little bit of milk to the custard powder and mix it well so that no lumps are formed. If you add the custard powder directly to the milk, then definitely there will be lumps formed. So mix the custard powder with a little bit of milk so that no lumps are there. We'll heat the milk now. I'm using boiled milk, so I did not cook it for a very long time. If you're using raw milk, then first boil the milk, cook it well, and then reduce the flame, and let's add the other ingredients. I'm adding half a cup of sugar today. If your mango is very ripe, you can reduce the amount of sugar used, but otherwise you'll have to add half a cup of sugar. Mix it well till the sugar dissolves, and then when the sugar has dissolved, we can add the custard powder. Add it slowly and keep mixing as you add so that no lumps are formed. As soon as you add the custard powder mixture, you will find that the milk thickens very quickly. So keep mixing till it thickens for about at least 5 minutes, and then you can remove it from the flame. As you remove it from the flame, also keep on mixing, because when it cools down, a layer forms on top of this custard. So to prevent that, keep mixing now and then. We'll have to leave this custard to cool down completely. As it's cooling down, in the meantime, while you wait, you can make 1 cup of mango puree, and also we will need 1.5 cups of mango. So chop that and keep it aside while you wait for this custard to cool down. This is after it has cooled down completely. It has thickened a little more. So now we can add the other ingredients. I am adding 1 cup of pureed mango here. You can add 1 cup, or you can add a little less as well, but I prefer adding 1 cup because this gives a very nice mango flavor to this custard. Along with this, I am adding 1.5 cups of chopped mangoes. I am using very ripe mangoes today so that it enhances the flavor. So mix that in as well. So that's it, our mango custard is ready. If you prefer, you can add some other fruits, or you can use dry fruits and nuts as well. And also you can add some fresh cream or 2 scoops of ice cream to it to enhance the flavor, but I prefer just this simple mango custard. It is so full of mango flavor, and this is how I prefer my custard. So I have not added any of the other ingredients. Transfer this to your serving bowl. You can refrigerate it before serving, or you can serve it immediately. It's up to your choice. Before serving, add a little more chopped mangoes on the top of the custard, and then you can serve. That's it, our mango custard is ready, and it's really delicious, very thick and creamy. You can make this for your kids as an evening snack also. You can give it to them once they come back from school, and they will enjoy having this. Do try it out. Until we meet next time, bye bye.